Okay, hello. I'm wanting to show the issue that we have going on with these Euro lights, the wash fixtures. I have 4 of them total. Out of the 4 of them, 2 of them have completely quit responding to a DMX signal after owning them for about 35 days. Just over a month is when the first one died, and a few days later the next one died. Actually, the first one died at about day 20. I just replaced it right away, thinking that it was just a fluke or something in the cabling. But anyway, here's the 2 fixtures. I just set them both to the same address for now. They're set to DMX address 63. As you can see, this one's showing a DMX signal coming in. This one is set to DMX 63 as well. No DMX signal. The wiring is set to where it's actually passing through the one that's not receiving a signal. So we know that the cable coming into it's good. The cable going out is obviously good. This one's working. I've tried it both ways. I've also tried it on the chain just by itself. So if you unplug this one just to show that, hold on. So there it is on the chain strictly by itself, so it's not like it's a interference thing or something like that. So there they are, both of them hooked up. If you set this one to auto mode, any of the auto modes work. And if you set this one here as the master and set this one as a slave, that works. So this one does transmit master slave data out. Just a second, let me try switching this one to be the master and this one to be the slave and see if that responds. I'm going to pause this. Okay, resuming the video. Currently, so it shows that currently this one is set to be the slave and this one is set to be the master. So it definitely transmits data. As you can see back here, that's the input it's hooked up to. So I'm going to now switch them around. Hold on. Okay, I left the settings the same. I just switched the cable to start with, just to chase down one thing at a time. So we now are going from the input of that one from the output of this one, and they're driving each other properly. Now currently this is still the one that's set as master, this is the one that's set as slave. I'm going to switch that around now. Okay, so this one is now set as sun. I don't know if you caught that or not, but this one over here is set as the master, that one's set as the slave, and it's now showing that it's got DMX signal coming into it, which is particularly odd. So it's receiving a DMX signal when the other light's sending it, but it was not receiving a DMX signal when it was coming in off of the DMX board. So hold on 1 minute, let me switch it back. Okay, I've now plugged the DMX cable back into this one here. We're going to set it so that it, let's see here, enter, how do you put that back onto the DMX channel? Hold on. Channel 63. Okay, so that's set on DMX channel 63. This one over here, let's see what we need to do to that's set for DMX channel 63. They're both set for 63. This one's showing a DMX signal. This one is not showing a DMX signal. Let me go over to the board here real quick. And we're outputting on DMX channel 63 over here. And as you can see, that light responds to movement commands, back and forth on things. The shutter responds. It completely works. The other one doesn't. This is 2 of them that have done this. I don't know if there's a setting that I have wrong. If there is, I'll be happy to change it. But I think that it's simply bad lights. Okay, thank you.